Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my first ever YouTube live session. So, I'm so excited to have you here. So, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Dr. N. Swati, professor and organic chemistry coach. And over past 20 years, I have mentored more than 1,500 students. So, they're particularly from pharmacy stream. So I have started this channel because I know that pharmaceutical organic chemistry feels like a nightmare for most of the students. And I promise you that it doesn't need to be in that way. Here you will get clarity, confidence, and smart strategies. So let me know quickly, where are you from? Where are you joining from? Which city are you from? Type in the chat so that I can have better idea about my audience. Okay, you can quickly type it in the chart, whether you are from BSc, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, Pharm D, which background you're having. That is your current qualification. Okay, so the three biggest mistakes that usually students do when it comes to organic chemistry, I'm going to discuss very briefly for about 5 to 10 minutes now in this first live session. So the first and most important, biggest mistake that often students do is lack of fundamentals. So that means everyone must have or everyone must learn alphabets in organic chemistry. So what is the importance of alphabets? I think I need not to explain you, because alphabets are very, very important, because each and every student or human being spends sufficient time in their PP1 or PP2 for learning alphabets. That is the reason when it comes to making a sentence or writing a paragraph, by the time you reach fifth class or say sixth class, you don't feel it difficulty because you have strong foundation, strong fundamentals. So like that is the importance of fundamentals or knowing alphabets in your subjects. So like that, what are the alphabets when it comes to organic chemistry is fundamentals, such as you should have bonding basics and hybridization states. Okay, and also the functional group identification. So as soon as the molecule is given, students should be in a position to recognize the functional group. So these are very, very important fundamentals when it comes to organic chemistry. So you can consider them as alphabets in organic chemistry. So once you master these fundamentals or alphabets in organic chemistry, then reactions or molecules, they will start connecting with you. They will stick to you so that they can be retained in your long-term memory. So that is one of the first and most important, biggest mistake that students often do. And the second mistake that is also done by most of the students is rote memorization, because they have lack of fundamentals or those alphabets in organic chemistry. In order to just clear up the examinations or to meet up with the requirements, end semester requirements, students often depend on the rote memorization techniques rather than understanding the mechanisms. So what is the best thing that we can do to overcome this particular problem, if you see, is you have to always break down the mechanism. Okay, break down the mechanism into simple steps and learn each and every mechanism or concept by following those steps. That is, step by step learning is very, very important, because if you don't learn the concept step by step, then obviously it won't retain in your long term memory. So when any concept, if you learn like steps involved in it, then it will be retained in your long term memory. And also when it comes to the examination, okay, you can easily recall those concepts even in the examination also. So that is the second big mistake, that is rote memorization. And third and most important mistake is student often lack or they don't follow smart study techniques. Now the world is after smart technology, as you know. We know everyone are nowadays using smartphones, smartwatches. But when it comes to preparing for any subject, students still they are following the old study techniques rather than implementing the smart study techniques. So what are those smart study techniques? If you so, if you see, active recall is an example. okay, and then spaced repetition and mind mapping. Okay, so if you learn any concept by utilizing these smart study techniques, then it becomes very easily you can get the clarity about the concept, and also it will be retained in your long term memory, and you can easily ace your exams, and you can score good marks even in your examinations also. So these are the most important biggest mistakes that students often do, and when it comes to organic chemistry, and because of that reason actually students feel that organic chemistry as the Greek and Latin subject. Okay, now let me know quickly which of these mistakes you are doing. Okay, whether it is rote memorization, or you lacking the fundamentals, or the implementation of the you are lacking, or you are not implementing the smart study techniques. Let me know in the chat. Let me know where are you joining from, which city are you from, what is your qualification, whether you are from B farm, M farm, so that I can address and I can know my audience properly and I can address their pain points. Okay, are you from B pharmacy, M pharmacy, or are you from BSc, MSc, or any school? Okay, high school. Let me know in the chat. Okay, so in this particular live session, I'll be quickly explaining you about one of the efficient and effective time management technique, which is known as Pomodoro technique. Okay, so I hope you might have heard this technique or might have seen in movies also, right? So, do you know which movie it is from? Okay, so it is from Aravind Sameta movie, right? So Pomodoro technique, you might have already implemented. Let me know in the chat if you have already implemented this technique. If you have already implemented Pomodoro technique in your study sessions, let me know in the chat. Okay, so what is this Pomodoro technique? Just 2 to 3 minutes I'll be explaining in this first live session. So any concept I usually explain in 3 steps. What is the concept? Why is it important? And how we can implement the Pomodoro technique. So the first one is, what is Pomodoro technique? So this Pomodoro technique is a simple time management technique, okay, where you will focus on a topic for about 25 minutes, then you will take a break of 5 minutes. So this concept is known as Pomodoro technique. Now, why is it important? Okay, why this Pomodoro technique is important is it really enhances your concentration power, and also it will refresh your brain. So that is the importance of the Pomodoro technique, and this technique is perfect for your exam marathons, particularly in pharmacy, because always pharmacy students will be overloaded with the examinations. Okay, every 45 days working days you will have sessional examinations, first sessional, second sessional, and every 90 to 100 days of working days, once it is finished, then immediately you will have final examinations. And in between, whenever rain comes or on a sunny day or cold day, your teachers will be conducting some slip test also. So it's like every week pharmacy students will be having a sessional any slip test or any exam, and every day students will be overloaded with record writing. So in this busy schedule, okay, like this kind of time management techniques will be very very useful. Okay, so how you can implement this Pomodoro technique is, it involves 3 steps. The first step is, so always choose a topic for implementing Pomodoro, okay, and set a 25 minutes timer and focus on that particular topic for those 25 minutes. Okay, now step number 2 is, once the topic is finished within 25 minutes, take 5 minutes break. Okay, so what you can do in this, you can just have any refreshment, or if not, at least you drink water and just relax. Okay, stretch yourself and just relax. Now step number 3 is, after once you complete first topic and taking 5 minutes, then again continue or repeat the next Pomodoro cycle. Okay, so like that, continue for about 4 Pomodoro cycles. Say for example, after you reach home, let us say you reach home from school or college by 5 o'clock. So 5 to 7:30, it is about 2.5 hours. So maximum you can complete 4 to 5 Pomodoro cycles. Then after completing 4 Pomodoro cycles, it is better you take 20 to 30 minutes break. So like in that case, if 5 to 7:30 you are using for study sessions by implementing Pomodoro, then 7:30 to 8 will be your long break where you can have your dinner. And post dinner, you can complete your record works. Okay. So because this 5 to 7:30, after completing hectic schedule, this evening time is the core time where you have to allot yourself for learning, active learning, rather than passively writing or completing your record. So post dinner, you can complete your record session. So this is how you can implement the Pomodoro cycles in 3 steps. Okay. So start implementing this Pomodoro technique. If you are already implementing, that is fine. Okay. Start implementing this Pomodoro technique from today onwards, from today's study sessions onwards, and let me know in the next week live session how it is working for you. Okay. And then let me quickly take up 1 or 2 questions. Okay. If you have any questions related to today's introductory live session, or the any topic related to in general to organic chemistry, you can ask in the chat. Okay, let me know if you have any questions in the chat. You can keep in the chat. Okay, so I'll be sharing a Google form in order to better understand my audience. I am sharing a Google sheet in the comments or chat window so that you can click on this Google form. So it consists of very simple details: your name, your mail ID, and your qualification, whether you are from BSc, MSc, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, or Pharm D, which qualification, or from a high school background. So that qualification you have to enter. And also please let me know which topic you want me to cover in the next coming live session so that I'll come up with your requirement. Okay, so kindly fill that one topic, subject topic from organic chemistry, whatever you want me to take in this particular Google form. Okay, so already there are several core topics. Videos are available on my YouTube channel. So some are fundamental, such as bonding basics, all the covalent bonds, types of covalent bonds, polar and non-polar covalent bonds, all those videos are available. And also hybridization, electrophiles and nucleophiles and their classification, isomerism, all these core concepts videos are available on my YouTube channel. And also some of the core topics like reactions of alkanes, free radical substitution reactions of alkanes, and free electrophilic addition reactions of alkenes. And when it comes to alkyl halides, most important questions, SN1 versus SN2 reactions. Okay. And similarly, when it comes to carbonyl compounds, aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reactions, for all these things, all these core topics, I have already made videos and they are available on my YouTube channel. So you can just have them whenever you have time. And they are very quick and they are very much useful for your examination point of view. Okay, so this channel is mainly meant for organic chemistry subject. Okay, so those whoever are facing difficulty when it comes to preparing or understanding the concepts of organic chemistry, so they can subscribe to my channel so that you can get clarity. And also let me know after completing each video, let me know your comments whether your requirements are fulfilled in that particular video or not, because from one university to other university, the syllabus or the examination pattern may vary. So if any things are unclear from the video or from the topic, you can always post the questions in the comment section, so that I will, from time to time, I will try to answer all those questions. So now we are done. So because it is first session, I'm just taking 15 minutes of time. So we will meet again on next Saturday. So every Saturday 5 p.m. I'll be on live for about 30 minutes. Because this is first session, I'm just taking for about 15 minutes. Okay, so let me know, kindly fill the Google form which I have already given in the chart. Okay, fill the Google form so that I can have better idea about my audience. And also give one topic, okay, which you want me to cover in the next coming live sessions. Okay, and if my channel, whatever the content or videos that I am posting are meeting with your requirements, kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep notifications on so that whenever I post any video, or whenever I plan for the next live sessions, you will get the notification so that you will not miss my sessions. So thank you so much for joining in. So those who joined, quickly type where are you joined from, and what qualification you are having, whether you are from B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, BSc, MSc, what is your study background, so that I can understand my audience well. Yes, you need not to hesitate. You can type in the chat. Okay, so kindly fill the Google form which I have already shared in the chat. I'll share it once again if you have not present previously. So I have given a Google form in the comment section. Kindly fill that Google form so that I can better understand my audience. And kindly fill that one topic which you want me to take in the next session. Okay, thank you so much for joining. We'll meet in the next live session. Take care, all of you.